Good morning, Year 4. It's Mrs. Martin here, and I'm going to take you through our reading lesson today. So, hopefully you enjoyed our text learning a little bit about the Vikings on Monday. Today we're going to build upon that by having a look at some of the Viking gods. And unlike lots of religions nowadays, the Vikings had lots of different gods. And we are going to learn about some of those today. You may remember when we looked at the Egyptians last year that they had lots of different gods, and also when we looked at the Romans as well. So let's have a look at some of those Viking gods. Now, on the class pages, I have put some Viking gods fact cards. Now, I'm going to leave you to have a read of these today because I'm conscious that on Monday it was a lot of you listening to me doing the reading. So you will find a sheet on our class page that looks like this. Can you have a read of all of those different cards about all of those different gods? See what you can find out. You might want to take some notes perhaps because there's quite a lot on here. 16 different gods in fact to have a read of. And then you're going to come back to our PowerPoint and have a go at answering those questions. So to begin with, it's our retrieval questions. This is where it's really useful to have those fact cards in front of you and skim and scan for the right answers. So our first question says, what body part did Odin give away? So straight away, I know that I'm looking at the fact card about this god. I don't need to look at the other ones, I just need to find this one, and then I'm searching for a body part he gave away. Then what I would like you to do is have a think about ordering them from the most to the least important. Why do you think that? That's your point of view. Could you understand why somebody else might put them in a different order? The fact cards only showed 16 of their gods, but there were many more. So then the thing after that I would like you to think about is why they didn't just have one god who controlled all of the things. Why do you think they had all of these different gods who had different jobs? And then lastly, this question is a little bit different to those that we normally do, but quite a bit of fun. So hopefully you will be able to give it a really good go. It's called, if this is the answer, what is the question? So this time I haven't given you the questions to answer. I've answered the questions, but can you tell me what the question is? So for example, if my answer was the chief god, the question might be, who was Odin? So have a look at my 5 answers and see if you can write a question that would match each one. Please remember to send us in your fantastic work so we can have a look through those brilliant answers.